Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by unlocking the device and opening settings right away. This is the only route that reveals the Apple ID inside System Preferences. Once done, focus on the topmost header that displays your name and avatar, tap it. If you see a sign-in prompt instead, that tells you no Apple ID is presently signed in and you'll need credentials to continue. Make sure to proceed now so you can read the actual account email on the next screen. After tapping your name, you'll land on the Apple ID account page. This is where the system shows your Apple ID email directly under your profile name. You can tap iCloud or Media and Purchases to see how the account is used, and open Password and Security to verify recovery contact details. Once you view the email, that string is your Apple ID. Make sure to note it precisely, because exact spelling and punctuation matter for sign-in and recovery. To finish, verify the displayed email is the Apple ID you need and return to the prior screens to adjust iCloud or purchase settings if necessary. You can sign out only when you have the password and recent backups. Once complete, you'll know the account identifier and can use it for logins or recovery. If the name or email isn't visible, restart the device and install any pending iOS updates. If that fails, sign-in problems usually clear after.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.